Alright, let's get started with this gel. So off camera, I've already prepped this hand by pushing back my cuticles and buffing away the excess cuticle with my e-file, and I use a hand buffer. And so now I'm going in and selecting all of my nail sizes, making sure that they fit from sidewall to sidewall, and if they happen to be a little bit too big or I'm in between sizes, I will simply just file away on the side to make it fit. But I think Gel-X has come out with half sizes now, so that's a plus. But I just got this box and I'm not buying another new one until some of these are gone. Okay, so now I'm etching my nails underneath. And yes, I do check my Gel-X tips twice before I apply them, just to ensure that they fit properly. Right now I'm using the pre-dehydrator, and then I'll go in with the primer as well. I dehydrate and prime twice. Now I'm going in with a thin layer on my nail, and I'm curing for 10 seconds. I'm coming back in with my Gel-X tip and the extend gel, holding at a 45-degree angle to apply to my natural nail, like that. I should have got a better angle, but yeah, you get it. Okay, and done with my forefingers. I still have to do my thumb, but I just thought I was baddie right then and there. Just knew it. It's something about putting nails on, eyelashes. I don't wear eyelashes, but I wear mascara, and to me it's the same thing. If I have mascara on, I feel like a fucking baddie. Okay, so now I am done. I'm going to show you the gel lamp that I use to flash cure for 10 seconds only. That's it. I got it off Amazon. It was $19.99. It's 36 watts, totally worth it. Only for flash curing though. I have these magnets right here that I use on my tip cutter to measure the nails. So I use 2 magnets. One is already on my tip cutter, and then I just stick another one on there, but maybe it was just one. Yeah, okay, so it was just one. It has to be. But I do like this method of cutting my tips. Now I'm going in with my file. It is a 180 grit. Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, it's 180. Okay, and when I file from the side to side, and then I go down the middle. And I'm slowing it down here so you can see a little bit better. I'm filing sidewall. Then I'll go back in and file the other sidewall. And then I will file the tip of the nail, holding my file horizontally or vertically, yeah. But yeah, this is how I file my nails to get into the square shape anyways, a crispy square shape. If you want to see me file other shapes, I can do that as well in another video. But there you go. And now I'm going in with my e-file to seal around my cuticles. Some people use a cuticle bit. Some people use these mandrel bits that I have right there. Honestly, just as long as you can seal the cuticle without cutting your client, do what you do. But this is what I used. I also use a cuticle bit, and I did in fact actually go back with my cuticle bit, but I did not have any more memory on my camera, so, or not camera, but on my phone. And yeah, when I thought I was recording, I wasn't. I thought I recorded everything up into the design, and it did not. It just recorded to right about here. I'm gonna switch so you can get a better view of me filing. And after that, yeah, memory was gone. Didn't even realize it. So here's a close-up of my cuticle area. I hold or anchor with my pinky, and then I just go around the cuticle. That's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this, or hope you enjoyed this. I will be posting more But this is the beginning. And that is the end. That's the design. I wanted to go with like an 80s look with some glitter. Yeah,